purpose of the training here is to bring all operators from all our importers to make them better operators, make them do stuff here that they don't have time for in their own condition, and we train them to be super operators to show our customers all the good features on the IDEAL. The biggest key point is learn how the whole machine is working. They have a lot of time to work everything over. All our good features like grain quality and also chopping quality, learn how everything is working and learning how the low losses, how we do that.
Ca și participant la cursurile organizate de Fendt și Mevi pe platforma firmei Merpano, operând cele două combine de ultimă generație, IDEAL 10 și IDEAL 8, am putut observa viteze ridicate de recoltare și pierderi minime.
I'm very happy to announce that we're doing here a Fendt combine training in the field in Romania, in the area close to Timișoara. And first of all, I like to say very much a thank you to our local distributor, to the company Mevi, who heavily supported us setting up this training. But I also would like to say thank you very much to the company where we are hosted here. The company is called Merpano, doing business with grass seeds. At the end, I hope, or I really expect, and I really think this is the outcome of this training, that we have a much better level of knowledge of our product experts here after this training in the field, and that they can bring this higher confidence also to our potential customers in their markets.